Many people want to learn how to start an online business, but I believe they go about it the wrong way because they always start off wanting to learn techniques and then they end up frustrated and overwhelmed. Today's video, we're going to outline a process that enables you to create an online business, minimize your overwhelm, and stay focused. I was the guy who started and wanted to know all the technology tricks right away, but I was not clear on my why. I was overwhelmed for months, frustrated continuously, and wondered what the next magic marketing strategy or pill or technique was. If you follow these steps, I promise you'll learn from my mistakes and become more successful in a shorter period of time. The first step is to know your why. Why you want to start an online business to begin with. But first you have to get over the money component. Money is not a good why. It's not a great motivator. What you can do with that money is. Don't get me wrong, money is not only necessary, it's essential. Let's say you want to start an online business to secure your future so that you can always have income no matter what's going on in the world, even if it's upside down, kind of like what's going on right now. With all that's going on politically and with this COVID, that would be a brilliant reason to start a business, and it's an even stronger why. As you know, some of the best companies ever created started during bad economic times. So don't let the outlook prevent you from obtaining your dreams. Simon Sinek, who wrote the book about knowing your whys, stated it best. Achievement happens when we pursue and attain what we want. Success comes when we are in clear pursuit of why we want it. The second step is to figure out what you need to learn to even build an online business. And this is the one that most people ask me, hey, can I just skip this part and hire someone to build me a website and get me marketing? The truth is, you could do that. However, it could end up costing you thousands and maybe even just taking your money and putting you out of business. And I know this because I did that with my first online business and lost a fortune because I didn't understand what things cost and I overpaid every step of the way. I don't care what any of these gurus say. There's no 2, 3, 4 buttons in 20 minutes and you create an online business. To create an online business takes time, investment, and education. It's like any other business. It's critical to learn the basics before you start to market, especially if you're using paid advertisement, as the costs can accumulate really quickly. The key takeaway is to take the time to educate yourself about how to do business online, and for me and many others, the best way is to use modeling. Modeling is finding somebody who's getting the results you want and doing what they do and achieving similar results. So my suggestion to you is that wherever you go for your education or your training, that they include modeling as part of their program. The company I work with has cutting edge training that's recorded and daily live training, as well as the ability to model them by using a blueprint. They have successfully trained thousands of students over the last decade, and I've worked with them for over 3 years now, and I've noticed every single year, every few months, the education only gets better, techniques get better, the software gets better, and they help educate us. If you want to learn more about us and how we work, there'll be a link somewhere on this page. Go ahead and click it. The last step is accountability. Being held accountable is a critical component of success. Ask anyone who works out with a trainer. They'll tell you they get better results with the trainer because the trainer makes them accountable, and they get those results quicker. When you're held accountable, you're expected to answer for the results you achieve and the actions that you take. And there's many ways to hold yourself accountable. One is using social proof or social pressure by telling all your friends and family about your project, and then when they ask you down the road, hey, how's that project going? If you've done it, you'll feel great. If you haven't, you'll feel really bad and you'll get your butt in line to do it. Another is to pay for an accountability coach, which you can find just about anywhere. Some are even free. Others charge up to $200 a session. I use one for my training company that I work with, and I get great results. Remember, it's critical to hold yourself accountable for your results and your actions. When you understand your why, invest the time and effort to learn new skills and hold yourself accountable, you will become successful. Then it's just a matter of work and readjustment, taking a look at your results and adjusting and refining your efforts, and over time you will see the results. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please like and share it with your friends, and feel free as always to comment below. I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.